Alright, so I just got a new chainsaw sharpener. I've been sharpening for quite a few years with this. It's a file, you can take this off, replace the file, put a new file in there. I've been having trouble getting this sharp. I cut a lot of oak I have here, plus the different carvings I do. This has not been working. This is supposed to keep it from getting too deep and cutting into the chain. And it has the angles on it here. Shows a 30-degree angle so you can keep your angle right. So recently I took it off and just started using this, just the file by itself. And it's been going okay, but one of my problems is it bends, push up just right, and this is bending and I only have one hand on it. I've been going like this to try to push over with my thumb as I go to try to make sure I'm sharpening. I don't know what angle I'm doing. I'm not getting the exact 30 angle. Like, I can get better with this. I can use the guide. With this guide, it's got the 30-degree mark on it. You can line it up with the bar to make sure you're getting the right angle as you're going. Can't do that with this. I'm just freehanding it, guessing on what angle I'm doing. So I bought a new sharpener here on Amazon. I'm doing a little review on this guy. I saw other carvers using it in their YouTube videos, some people I follow. If you're into carving and trying to get into it, you can watch me, watch other people, just learn from whoever. That's what I've been doing. So I've never used this, brand new. Rails keep it from going too deep. And what I think is really cool is it's got a handle on each side, so I can keep a nice firm slide with it. So this is the first time I'm trying this. I've not read the directions, there's probably directions. So I put it on, I can see it fits just right. The rail's sitting on top of this tooth right there and give me the right angle. So let me try it out. So it's amazing what you can learn when you open up some directions. So here's the instructions, came in it. Basically, this does open up. I figured they had a button that did something. You open this up, and you can take the files out and put new files in when they get dull. This is a 30-degree angle, it says right here, and then there's also the marks right here that you can see across here. And this is a 30-degree angle, so you can line it up like this, which is nice. Right, so I'm going to set this up on the jaw horse because I usually hold this with one hand. Well, I use the one hand, but since I have to use two hands on this one, I'm going to use the jaw horse to hold it up for me. And there you go. Let's give it a try. I love having the two handles on it. That's really nice. Maybe if I had some glasses, I could see what it's doing. Right, got my glasses so I can see what's happening. Wow, I definitely see it's taken off a little right here. And it's getting inside the tooth really good. See right there inside the tooth? Look how shiny that is. Got that really nice. And it topped off this depth gauge. It's shiny right there. Topped it off. So this is really nice. What I think I might do is stop for a second. And I'm gonna go cut a piece of oak and show you what it looks like. And then sharpen this and show you how the difference is. All right, so it's not bad. You can see the shavings. They're not bad size. You know, they're chunks, it's not powder, so it's not dull. So let's see if it makes anything bigger, if it grabs harder and shoots out bigger chunks after I sharpen it. These things are sharp. If you ever slip, you get cut. I wear gloves, but this is a nice another safety part to it, which is really nice. They start right there and it goes right across and stops. So this is going to be a huge game changer for me. It's going to be awesome. This is going to be so much sharper. This is faster and better sharpening. So almost done with the sharpening, then I'll go do some cutting. There we go. You can see cut pretty fast. It's a little bit bigger. Here's the older chips, some of these chips. You can compare it. It's hard to see now, I got the same pile. But the chips are a little bit bigger and it definitely sharpened faster, better, even. Wasn't chunky and sometimes grabbing, sometimes not. It was more even flow. Definitely sharpened faster. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. Totally worth it.